So hello everybody, again welcome to my channel WJMSS. Especially all the students from my school, try to watch my videos nicely. If you face any problem, you can ask me, you can text me, you can write in comment also. And also welcome to all other students from India. Please watch my videos. So today let's start the videos. The question is, find a cubic polynomial each with the given numbers as the sum, comma, sum of the product of its zeros taken two at a time and product of its zeros respectively 5 comma minus 2 comma minus 24. The student from Meghalaya, you can see exercise 2b, question number 3, Roman 1. The question is, we have to find a cubic polynomial. We have to find a cubic polynomial. What is the cubic polynomial? In the question number 1, we have discussed what is cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial means we have to think that cubic equation ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0. If it is like that, then since the maximum power of x is 3, so we are getting 3 values of x. These 3 values of x means these are the 3 zeros of the cubic polynomial. So this 5 minus 2 minus 24, according to this question, what is this? First one, 5 means as the sum, means what? The sum of the 3 zeros. It means alpha plus beta plus gamma means 5. Second part, sum of the product of its zeros taken 2 at a time. It means taken 2 at a time means what? Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha means minus 2. And third part, product of its zeros. It means alpha into beta into gamma. Alpha into beta into gamma means what? This is the product of the zeros of the cubic polynomial. So alpha beta gamma, according to this question, how much given? Minus 24. So let's start the solution. Let the polynomial be, let the polynomial be, let the polynomial be. What is the general form of the polynomial? This is the general form, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, and zeros b, and zeros b. If this is the cubic polynomial form, then zeros will be alpha, comma, beta and gamma. Alpha, beta and gamma. Now what is this 5? 5 means the given numbers as the sum. As the sum means what? The addition of these 3 zeros. It means 5 means we can write what? Then alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to, what is this? 5. We have learned last time that formula alpha plus beta plus gamma. You can see from your book also, alpha plus beta plus gamma. What is this formula? Minus b by a, minus b divided by a. B means what? Coefficient of x square. A means what? Coefficient of x cube. This is equal to this 5. How can we write? We can write minus into minus 5. Minus into minus 5. Minus a, this minus and then minus, again plus. So this 5 and this 5 is same. And we can write here denominator 1. 1 as a denominator, it is totally non-valuable. So if you write also okay, if you don't write also okay. But why we are writing here? We are trying to get that formula alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to, what is this formula? Minus b by a. So this minus and this minus cancel. Minus 5 means we can understand b. A means we can understand 1. So this is the first part. What is given? A is the sum. Second part, sum of the product of its zeros taken 2 at a time. It means what? Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha equal to, what is given? Second part, minus 2. So we can write here minus 2. Now alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha equal to, what is the formula? The formula is C by A. C by A. C means what? C means the coefficient of x. A means what? Coefficient of x cube. So C by A. So minus 2 equal to what we can write? Minus 2 divided by 1. 1 as a denominator. Why we are writing here? Because of we are trying to get the formula. What is the formula? C by A. So here what we can understand? 1 denominator, A is the denominator. So A equal to 1. Again minus 2 here and C. So C equal to, we can understand, it will be minus 2. And third part, and product of its zeros respectively. So product of zeros means what? Alpha into beta into gamma. Alpha into beta into gamma. It means what? Alpha beta gamma equal to, what is given? Minus 24. We can write here minus 24. Minus 24. So alpha beta gamma equal to, what is the formula? Alpha beta gamma equal to, the formula is minus d by a. This is equal to, what we can write? Minus 24 divided by 1. This is equal to minus 24 means minus d, minus means minus d by a. This is formula. Alpha beta equal to, this is the formula, minus d by a. Why we are considering this 1 1 1? Because we are trying to get the formula. What is the first formula? Alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus b by a. That's why we are choosing here minus a plus 5. So this and this same. 1 as a denominator. If you write also okay, if you don't write also okay. But we have to understand there is 1. 1 is what? 1 is the denominator. So now if you consider, look, minus is minus, b equal to what we can understand? Minus 5. A equal to 5. Here also c equal to what? Minus 2. A equal to how much? 1. Here also minus cancel. D means 24. A means 1. Therefore what we can understand? Look, a means 1, a means 1, a means 1. Here also 1 is denominator, here also a is denominator. So simply we can understand a equal to 1, comma, b equal to, look, where is b? B is there, look, minus, this minus cancel, but here is minus 5, here is b. So we can write b equal to minus 5, comma, c equal to, now where is c? C is here, c, there is no minus symbol, so c, and here is minus 2, so c equal to minus 2. Now d, minus minus cancel, so d equal to, we can write 24. D equal to, we can write 24. One thing here we can write, so 1 cubic polynomial, 1 cubic polynomial, 1 cubic polynomial which satisfy the given conditions will be one cubic polynomial which satisfy the given conditions will be. What will be that cubic polynomial? We have to see this part, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. This is the main part. This is the main form of the cubic polynomial. We got the a value, b value, c value, d value. Just we have to put the values here. Now, what is this? Ax cube. So, a value is what? 1. So, we can write here 1, then x cube plus 1 x cube 1 x cube then plus bx square plus is plus bx square. B value how much? Look, where is b value? B value is minus 5. So write the b value minus 5. Bx square plus cx. C is how much? Look here, minus 2. So minus 2. X cx, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d value. D is how much? 24. Write down d value. So this is equal to 1 into x cube means x cube plus a, this plus and this minus 5, plus a minus 5 into x square, 5x square. This plus and minus 2, plus a minus 2. 2 into x, 2x plus 24. X cube minus 5x square minus 2x minus 24. So this will be the cubic polynomial. So we can write thus the required cubic polynomial is, thus the required cubic polynomial is x cube minus 5x square, x cube minus 5x square minus 2x plus 24. So this will be the final answer. So thank you all of you again, and please try to watch my all videos. Thank you so much all of the student. Okay then, bye.